heard about the terror and the cruel blackened tans. You've heard about the things they did in days and years long gone. But there are other sleevings the devil calls his own, who run this little free state imposed beneath the crown. So beat the drum and call it out. Let every truth be known. They claim to stand for Ireland, but serve the powers unknown. A shower of Irish traitors, all serving their own ends. A nation sold by quislings who call themselves our friends. They signed away the nation and tore our land in two, then turned their guns on comrades who'd fought for me and you. The prisons filled with rebels and the firing squads were drawn, while servants of the British wore the Free State uniforms. They murdered Liam Mallows and Rory O'Connor too, Dick Barrett and Joe McKelvey, to name but just a few. No trial before a jury, no mercy would they show. The men who'd fought for freedom were hunted as the foe. So beat the drum and call it out. Let every truth be known. They claim to stand for Ireland, but serve the powers unknown. They changed the flag above them, but the system carried on, while those who'd fought for freedom were told their cause was wrong. Generations followed, and the promises grew thin, while Britain held 6 counties and partition settled in. They'd speak of one great nation when elections came around, then help to keep the borders safe that serves the British crown. They sit in Leinster House while our people pay the price, and families count the pennies and the homeless sleep outside. They bow before the powerful and tell us all is grand, while giving piece by piece away the future of our land. So beat the drum and call it out. Let every truth be known. No government owns Ireland, no empire owns our home. From Antrim down to Kerry, from Wexford to Tyrone, the people are the nation, and this island is our own. So beat the drum one final time, and let the message sound. No crown, no state, no politician owns this sacred ground. The dream was never buried, and the flame was never gone. So rise up, sons and daughters, and make this land your own.